Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a powerful cucumber aloe glycerin hair moisturizer for healthy hair in protective hairstyle. So we're going to start off with some cucumber. Make sure that you start with a fresh cucumber, as you can see. So cucumber is a vegetable with many benefits. Cucumber is good for hair. This has many vitamins and minerals that help your hair to grow well. It has vitamins like A and C, silica, potassium, alkaline material, magnesium, and many other minerals also. Vitamin A and silica in cucumber help for hair growth. You can make good smooth hair and help it to grow faster. Apply cucumber for hair regularly. So cucumber juice is very good to help with your hair growth. And you can also wash your hair with cucumber juice every week to give you a strong hair. It has minerals and vitamins in cucumber can help to repair damaged hair. So like using cucumber or any shampoo with cucumber can give you a shiny hair. And also eating cucumber can hydrate your skin and prevent hair falling. So one amazing, elements or rather effect of cucumber on hair is that it facilitates hair growth at a really high rate. It can also be used by people that suffer hair loss and baldness to recover their hair to a beautiful and healthy state. Aside from facilitating hair growth, the use of cucumber on hair can nourish, strengthen, hydrate, and improve the health of the scalp. If you suffer hair dryness, you can want to try out cucumber moisturizer to help replenish your hair moisture to avoid split ends and breakages, especially when the condition is hot and dry. So now we are done cutting our cucumbers and we're going to blend. So of course, there are two ways on how you can make cucumber if you don't have a blender. That is, I'm going to show you another way on how you can actually extract cucumber juice. So that is how it looks like, friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't and give this video a like. So friends, like cucumbers are loaded with water. Same applies to aloe vera. So they're very moisturizing to your hair strands, and they're also good for the face as well. So the second method is to use a grater. So I didn't want this video to be long, so I had started grating already. And make sure that you use the smaller hole so that you can have a fine paste where you actually extract more juice. So that is how they look like. So at this point we are going to strain. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out aloe cucumber, glycerin moisturizer DIY. So we are going to pour it in our strainer, and then we are going to press against the strainer to extract more juice. So press until you are satisfied that you have extracted enough juice. So subscribe to our channel, friends, if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support, and I appreciate you guys, for watching my videos. And to my 398 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for your love and your support. So like, if you subscribe, comment, and like this video, like it's helped me a lot, because YouTube will be able to recommend our videos to a different audience, or rather to a bigger audience. So that is how it looks like. Now our cucumber is ready. So we'll move on to our aloe vera. Yes, friends. So I'm super excited, and I'll show you how I'm going to use this hair mist. So for aloe vera, that is, if you don't have aloe vera, you can purchase aloe vera in shops. Just make sure that it's 100% aloe vera and it doesn't have any additives or color in it. So I've just plucked one leaf of an other plant. So of course, friends, like there are more than 450 species of aloe vera. So actually I have about four types, or rather 5 species of aloe vera. So make sure that you wash it, remove any dairy, and then make sure that you soak it in water to remove the yellow latex or aloe, which is a poisonous content. Actually, I've done quite a number of videos on aloe vera. I'm going to link them in the description box below. They're so very informative, so that you can check them out, and how you can actually remove aloe, like how do commercial industries or companies remove aloe. I've done that video. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So like when washing, make sure that you protect yourself. That is the reason why I had to put on some gloves, so that we are not pierced, our skin is not pierced. So friends, like the aloe plant has been used for thousands of years, since as early as 1750 BC. There are more than 450 species of aloe. It's a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. It's beneficial for many skin problems like wounds, acne, and burns. Aloe vera is also consumed as food in drinks and may have benefits for inflammatory bowel disease, diabetes, hepatitis, and more. But there have been, of course, like few scientific studies on its effects on hair. Research on its benefit in general has been mixed, but this may be because it has so many properties and active ingredients. The varied effects of aloe vera may be due to the combination of chemicals, active ingredients. So these are some of the benefits of aloe vera for hair. So friends, like once you are done washing your aloe vera, make sure that you cut off the spiky edges, and then make sure that you cut across the aloe vera to scoop the gel. So aloe vera will strengthen hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play a part in healthy hair follicles. It also controls greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and so strips your hair of extra oil or sebum. Aloe vera also helps an itchy scalp. Seborrheic dermatitis is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects your scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, scaly patches. Research have found that aloe vera can significantly decrease the scaliness and itchiness. Aloe vera will also protect from UV damage. A study found that fresh aloe vera juice offers protection from ultraviolet UV radiation that comes from the sun. UV exposure can cause your hair to lose its shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. The amount of protection from UV light depends on the type of hair. But friends, of course, you know what? Many naturals, and also I've done quite a number of videos on, aloe vera. I'm going to link them in the description box below, and I also use them to grow back my edges. Like I've been using it for close to 2 years now, and my edges have improved drastically. But even though there's no scientific proof, however, researchers believe that alanine, a chemical compound in the plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth, as found in people with hair loss condition called alopecia. It has been used to improve hair healthy and less breakage, which contributes to hair growth. So friends, after blending, now we are straining our juice. It's almost ready at this point. So of course, like if you don't have a blender, you can just put it in a strainer and strain. So that is the chunk that we don't want to be caught up in our hair. And so these are the two products. They are ready. And we're also going to add a glycerin. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, friends. So these are powerful ingredients loaded with moisture. I think I did also a video on these two particularly products, but in this video we are also going to add our glycerin. So glycerin is a sugar alcohol that can be derived from ranges of sources including animal plants, animal products, sorry, plants and petroleum synthetically made. It is specifically classified as a humectant. So I'm using vegetable glycerin. So glycerin is an effective as a moisturizer because it acts as a humectant, pulling moisture from the environment and deep within the skin to the surface, which needs the moisture most. So many hair types suffer from dryness and could benefit from the moisture boost glycerin provides to the surface. So I'm using 2 grams of our vegetable glycerin. So glycerin actually draws moisture to the hair and scalp. Additionally, it helps to create a barrier to prevent moisture from leaving the hair follicles. So it has a small molecule size and can draw in moisture into the cells of both scalp and hair. This can be especially helpful during the dry winter months when dry scalp conditions may lead to itching and flaking. So glycerin's ability to attract and maintain moisture makes it extremely beneficial to the scalp overall health. Adequate hydration of the scalp skin can prevent a host of issues, including dandruff and oil overproduction. Healthy hair actually starts at the scalp, making scalp healthy paramount in treating hair concerns. So now we are adding our products as you can see. So like the aloe, because it has that kind of gel, it was difficult to put because I just wanted a sizable amount to add. Yes. So now at this point it's ready. So I'm going to add a preservative that is actually Yuxi K712 natural preservative, which I really love. So like if you've been long on this channel, in most cases I use a natural preservative. This is the specific brand, I mean Yuxi 712, which I use to prevent microbials to crawling in our product and to make our product, last for a longer time. So if you preserve it, it will last for more than 1 month. Yes, friends. So of course, cucumber degrades very quickly. So we'll see if it will, of course, it won't degrade fast if you preserve it. So if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge, but it can just last probably for a week, and then you discard it and make sure that you use a new batch. So that is how it looks like. I love that beautiful green color. Like whatever God made, it's also so beautiful, friends. So subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't. Give this video a like, share, and comment in the section below. So these are our final product, friends. So I'm ready now to use it in my hair. Of course, if you've been long on this channel, I'm in a 6-month protective hairstyle with a twist. So actually we are in June now, in the 6th month, friends. I'm super excited. So I just brought the twist together and got a thread, some Brazilian wool to tie the top and the back, just to make sure that our style lasts for a longer time. So it's been actually 4 weeks of having these twists, friends. So in between, I wash my scalp and I moisturize, and I promise that I'll be sharing whatever I'll be doing to grow my medium natural hair in 2022, friends. So my aim is to achieve 3 inches, and one day, of course, when our challenge ends, which will actually end in July, I'm going to give you an update on whether we achieved our goal or not, the disadvantages and advantages. Yes, so I'll just spray it liberally throughout our scalp and our hair strands and on our edges. Don't forget your edges, friends. Our edges are very fragile. They are most susceptible to breakage. So make sure that you don't forget to moisturize your edges as well. So I work it in, I pump it in, just to make sure that every strand is coated, as you can see. So that it can go deep into our scalp and to our hair strands as well. So at this point, I'm going in to sealing that moisture with our stimulating herbal hair growth oil. I did a video on this oil. Actually, I've done quite a number of videos on how you can make stimulating herbal hair growth oil and different oils. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So like I dab it in my hair. This really helps so that our hair stays hydrated for a longer time. You prevent breakage actually. So now I'm going in with more oil on our edges. So like actually I've shared quite a number of videos on how you can grow back your edges and what really helped me to grow back my edges. I'm going to link the videos in the description box below. So friends, like I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos and for subscribing and commenting and liking my videos. I really appreciate guys. Like this helps us so much so that our videos can be recommended to a bigger audience. So are you going to try out this powerful hair mist? Comment in the section below. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.